I'm vengeance.
It's him.
Hey, this is Ed, and I'm going to show you how you can turn any footage to a comic book look just like this one. I use Ebsynth, Photoshop, and After Effects. For this video, I used the Batman footage from the trailer, which I extracted from YouTube. Once you have your footage, export it as PNG file from After Effects or any other similar programs. Save them in a folder named Video. Now, I'll start with a frame where we have a good shot of the Batman. This will be my master frame. Before starting to paint, let's go get some reference pictures of the Batman DC comic. Now we can start by painting the outline of the Batman. Underneath this layer, let's add the colors by color picking it from the reference picture we gathered. Now let's save this as a PNG file next to the video folder. Name this folder Keyframes. Let's run Ebsynth and drag the video folder to video and keyframes folder to keyframes. Now click on send or run all. Once render is finished, send them to After Effects. Now in After Effects, this is how it looks like. It doesn't work in the beginning, but towards the end, it works better, except we have some masking to do. To make this really work, we'll need to paint 3 more frames since Batman is making a lot of movement here. In Photoshop, when painting, let's make sure we are consistent with the colors. Save them in keyframes folder and run Ebsynth again. Back in After Effects, this looks a lot better, just need to do the masking now. Now we can add some elements such as rain and hit effects. Finally, let's add 2 more shots to make this complete and do the whole process again. For the second and third shot, they worked well with 1 keyframe for each. Now you can apply this comic book look to your footage. If you're interested to go in depth to know the whole process from Photoshop to After Effects in real time, click on the link below for the full in-depth tutorial.
I'm vengeance.